Hi guys, welcome back to Food and Mood Creations. I know I missed a week, but last week I was really overloaded with work and I didn't have time to edit. Today we're making paleo maple candied pecans in the air fryer. I know a lot of people don't consider butter to be paleo, but it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. If you do use butter, use grass-fed butter. If you don't use butter, you can use coconut oil or ghee. Now I'm adding vanilla bean paste, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt, and I'm just gonna whisk that to combine. If you don't have vanilla bean paste, you can use vanilla extract. Next, I'm going to add the pecans and stir to coat them in the maple syrup mixture. One interesting thing about pecans is that they are beneficial for hair growth. So if you're suffering from hair loss or brittle hair, or if you just want to grow your hair in general, eat some pecans. Nuts are associated with a decreased risk of heart disease and mortality associated with type 2 diabetes. Cinnamon has antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory effects, and it can also be used to treat heart disease and diabetes. Next, I'm going to add the pecan to the air fryer basket. I placed one of those parchment paper rounds that came with the air fryer in the basket. If you don't have those, you can just coat it with non-stick cooking spray and add the pecans to the basket. I'm just going to spread those into an even layer. I cooked the pecans for 5 minutes and then I shook the basket and then cooked them for another 5 minutes. And this is how they came out. These maple candied pecans were simply amazing. Like, they were so good. Like, this is one of my new favorite snacks now. If you want detailed instructions on how to make these candied maple pecans, the link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.